Hey, what's up, smooth low portion coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you are doing well, guys. In this video, again, I'm talking about a smooth low portion SLP coin. What surprise changes occur in the SLP? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos about SLP coin, guys. Now guys, you can see if we talk about the changes of SLP coin smooth low portion, so 0.08023 USD dollar, that is the price of smooth low portion. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes of smooth low portion, so negative 31.08% changes occur in the SLP coin. Other side, you can see if we talk about the highest price of 0.12277 USD dollar is the highest price. Guys, simply now it is a bad time of SLP coin. Smooth low portion price is completely going into loss. A very bad changes occur in the smooth low portion, guys. Very bad decrease from last 1 month. SLP coin price is going to decrease. But guys, possibilities that at the last of September the SLP coin price will again becomes positive and they will give you profit, guys. After 20 September, there is again possibilities that the changes will become positive, guys. Anyways, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about smooth low portion? Also share in the comment box, guys. My prediction is that now they're in the fall sign. I'm sure, guys, that they continue this fall for 1 week, for 2 weeks, and after 1-2 weeks, there is again possibilities that the price will pump. What do you think about that? Also share in the comment box your opinion. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe channel.